Welcome to Bayfield Training's Excel tips videos. On today's video, we will learn how to create a series of dates in Excel. I heard my team complaining about having to drag down hundreds of rows like this, so I decided to show them this simple trick. In Excel, go to the Home tab, and in the editing area, find this icon. Click and choose Series. Tick columns and dates. Enter stop value, and click OK. And voila! All date series are entered within seconds. Happy learning! Follow us on our social media platforms to learn more about our Excel tips. And for more information about our executive education courses, visit our website www.bayfieldtraining.com.